Just follow me around while we walk through this new exciting project. I'm excited because today we're walking through a new project and I can't wait to reveal what's going on at 28. Today we're taking some detailed measurements. Just follow me around while we walk through this new exciting project.
I hear the sounds, I can hear it now, of your heartbeat.
Yeah, but you don't. Okay, you don't need like a lot of room here. You can end here because it's not really going to be.
Can you know that? Somebody else made sure they would cut into the wall. But I don't know.
Yeah, it will be, first of all, I don't want to ruin the
I'll share all the updates on this YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and tap the notification button so that you're alerted when I have new content. Thanks for watching. Bye. Good morning. So it's install day at Project Daisy. I'm standing in front of the house. We're about to go in and start working on it. I'm super excited. Can't wait to see how it turns out. So join me.